trying to walk on the side, so it's kind of harder to notice what it is. People driving by just like, meh.
We're good. Ostacruiser. You good on this side, buddy? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but still sorry.
No, we're good. Not even close. Thanks, man. Good over here.
Well, good thing that door came on.
All right. Yeah, so we're.
That was good.
Yeah. Great. Hey, where's our duster? We need a permanent duster to get on.
Okay, boys, here she is, Defender 6x6. We're just going over a few features with one of the engineers there. He says 1,000 pounds carrying capacity. It's tested for like triple or quadruple that, but 1,000 pounds is I guess all they can say for regulations. 3,000 pound towing capacity they're rated for. So basically, it's just a modified transaxle with an output into what looks like a Maverick rear diff, and then just obviously extended frame. He said you can fit 30-inch tires factory without changing anything. There's enough room there. And then of course, if a guy wants to go bigger, you could just use some raked rear arms, rig up something. Definitely run 32s. The bed is a full six foot bed, removable sides. We'll get a picture with the bed up. It's pretty awesome, man. It looks like a freaking pickup truck. Think about this unit as a base for like overland camping, what you could fit in the box. Freaking awesome. Yeah, they sent me a picture of this and I was like, oh yeah. Can you imagine full cab kit, heater, windshield, wiper, big plow on the front? You'd be the envy of the neighborhood. All your neighbors would be like calling you first when they needed their driveway plowed. I think the interior is all just XT Defender. They don't have the new switch yet where it shows six-wheel drive like on the Outlander 6x6. But yeah, in a nutshell, boys, that's her. She is gonna be a work freaking horse. Beds on struts. He said there's a hydraulic lift option also, which would be super slick, especially when you got that baby loaded up. Yeah, you could easily rig one of these up with XMR snorkels. Here's another shot of the output shaft to rear diff.